Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to watch YouTube on your Hyundai Tucson. We will begin by discussing crucial safety considerations, ensuring you understand when it is appropriate to view content. Next, we will cover the essential equipment you will need, such as your smartphone and a reliable USB cable. Finally, we will explore various methods for mirroring your phone's screen to your vehicle's display, including both built-in and aftermarket options. Safety is paramount when considering in-car video. Always ensure your vehicle is completely stationary and the parking brake is engaged before attempting to watch any videos. You will need a compatible Hyundai Infotainment system, a modern smartphone, and a robust USB data cable. A strong, consistent internet connection, either through your phone's data or a Wi-Fi hotspot, is also crucial for smooth streaming of your favorite content. For many, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay offer a foundational way to integrate your phone. While these systems primarily focus on navigation and audio, certain third-party applications can enable video mirroring when your vehicle is safely parked. You might need to connect your phone via a USB cable, and in some cases, enable specific developer options on your device. Remember, the parking brake must be engaged for video functionality to activate. For a more comprehensive solution, consider an aftermarket Android box. These innovative devices connect directly to your Tucson's infotainment system, typically through a USB port, effectively transforming it into a full Android tablet. This allows you to download and run YouTube directly, along with many other applications. Always ensure any modifications adhere to local traffic regulations, and most importantly, maintain driver focus and passenger safety at all times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.